Ooh, hello, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad that you are tuning in again to see what I'm doing. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kimberly Keynes. I do videos on BFF, beauty, fashion, and a little bit of fitness because we gotta make sure that we're healthy, right? I'm coming at you today from my new studio. Yes, I love it, guys. It's so easy. All I do is flip a switch and the whole thing just happens. If I sound really hollow, it's because it's pretty much still an empty room and I still have to put in all the fluffy carpets and all the glitzy and glamorous stuff, all the girly things. But once it's done and it's fully set up, I'm absolutely going to give you guys a full tour of my entire setup so you can see what I'm working with. But all that aside, let's get to the video, and I am doing a review on this. It's not really a review, it's more like a tryout to see if it's really worth all the hype. It's the Benefit Soft and Natural Brow Kit. It looks really cute in this box, so we're gonna unbox it and see what's in there and try it on, so stick around. Okay guys, so I basically did all my makeup except for my brows. And let's see, the Soft and Natural Brow Kit. It's a goof-proof kit for natural looking brows. Now, you know me, I'm all about wearable makeup. I don't care if you put on a lot of it, it still has to look natural and just wearable. So you could go out every day and just look flawless and fabulous. And this is the number 6 that I'm using. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Oh, it comes with a little book. Magic Tips and Tricks by Benefit. Goof-proof kit for natural looking brows. I guess it has stencils in there that you can use. I never got those stencils. I mean, not everyone's brows are the same, so how are you gonna stencil them? And whatever.
I'm not going to be using any stencils. Let's see. Okay, it shows you how to use the pencil and what to do with all the different items. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is basically shake your brow, lift your brow with the pencil that's in there, and then set it with the gel.
Okay, all kinds of small print that I'm not gonna read right now. So yeah, no. Ooh, guys. Oh, I love this packaging. Look at this. How cute. This is really cute. It's a little tin kit. 10 on the packaging. Absolutely, it's very cute. Very girly, very pink. Love it. Oh, this is very cute, guys. Look at this. Now, each of these items I know you can get individual. I went to Ulta and got mine, and instead of buying just the pencil I just decided to get the kit so we can get the full effect. But I know you can buy each item individually. Now, this kit was $34. So I thought that was pretty good price for all these items anyways, if they work. So let's see, what is this? Oh, I see. Oh, let's see. Oh, these are the stencils. There's like 2 different stencils in here and you can use, and I guess this holds the stencil so you can go. Okay, that's too much. No. This is cute, but no, we will not be using that. I'm afraid of stencils because, your brows are going to look all... Who's with me? Otherwise, let's get... Okay, the Goof-proof Brow Pencil. Super easy brow filling and shaping pencil. It has like the bristly brush on one end, and then on this end is the teardrop. I think it's a teardrop shaped pencil. Let me just swatch it on the back of my hand. I didn't go for a dark black shade because that looks really unnatural. This is the pencil on the back of my hand. It's pretty dark, but not too dark. It's not real black, it's more like a grayish. The other thing that comes in the box is this highlighting pencil, which is basically if you want to really create a beautiful arch, you would put this underneath the brow. I hope this is the right color. It looks a little pink. Oh, that's really light, but we'll try it. And then the last thing in this cute little box is the 24-hour brow setter. It's a gel. Now the girl in the store when I bought this, she was so excited about this brow gel. She was like, oh, I hope I'm not coming down with a cold. Anyway, when I bought this, the girl in the store, she was so excited about it that I just was like, okay, then that's good. Oh, and it's just a little brow gel, mini. Almost smells like glue. Okay, so we'll see if this works. Okay, guys, now the first thing we're gonna use is the Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And we're gonna take the bristly side and just brush our eyebrows up and out. Okay. And then we're gonna take the other side and we're gonna start outlining our brow. So let's see. I'm already liking this pencil, and I think it's because I instantly see the color on my skin. So if you don't have a sturdy hand, put your elbow on a table and that will help a lot. This is the before, and this is the after so far. So now I'm going to use the highlighting pencil to highlight underneath my arch and hopefully get rid of some of the smudges there. There. I'd say this is a little too light for my liking. I'd say it's not universally for every skin tone, but we'll make it work. Now I'm gonna go in with the 24-hour brow setter, which is supposed to act as a brow setter. It's supposed to hold your brows in place. Okay, we're just gonna gently go over the brow and hold it in place. So guys, this is the final look, and I have to say I do love the product, but if you're gonna buy this kit, make sure that the highlighting pencil matches your skin tone somewhat more than mine, because this was way too light for me. So I absolutely love this pencil. If you're gonna get any of these items, get the pencil because it is fabulous. Not only does it look really cool, but it actually works. As for this, I'd say the 24-hour brow setter, it absolutely is fabulous. I would absolutely recommend it, and I would absolutely use it again. So out of all these items, I say these two are yays. And well, the stencils, they're cute, but I wouldn't use them, but it was cute in the packaging. And the highlighting pencil I would not get, but it's too light for me. If you can find a shade that works for you, go for it. Overall, I would absolutely use this pencil again. I love it. So yeah, if you're gonna get this, you'll be happy with most of the products in there. So that was my review, guys. I hope you guys like the look. I hope you guys agree with me that it does look halfway decent. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.